Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to buy a product on Amazon. It's pretty simple, so let's get started. First, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and type in the name of the product that you want to purchase. Tap on the product of your choice. Scroll down a bit. Now go ahead and tap on Buy Now. Make sure to fill in your information. Once you're done, go ahead and scroll down. Go ahead and tap on Use this address. After this, once you have chosen your payment method, you can purchase an item off of Amazon. And that's it. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.